What are collection types? The collection is a generic entity representing an organization unit, agile release train, tribe, or others. When creating a new collection, you need to select a collection type. Kendis has default option types. However, you may add or remove these collection types. Go to Settings, click on Collection Types, and then create a new collection. Set the name of the collection, its prefix, color, and icon. Prefix is not possible to change later once you save it. You may reorder collections, and the same order will appear on the organizational views listings. Create a new collection type of value stream, and the collection type appears on the left. It is possible to change the collection type after its creation. Go to the list of your collection type, click on the Edit, and change the collection type. For more information, check out the help.kendis.io.